Welcome to this explainer video on Michael Porter's generic strategies. We'll also learn about a diagnostic tool called strategic fit. We'll go step by step to find out the generic strategy of a particular company. There are two generic strategies. Cost leadership is used by low-cost industries like commodities and grocery stores. Differentiation strategies are used by new technology industries like smartphone companies. The two generic strategies are characterized by cost and quality. Cost leadership involves low cost and adequate quality, while a differentiated strategy involves adequate cost and high quality. Why adequate cost and not high cost? Because the profit motive requires cost control. The company we will look into is Princess Cruises, and their product is cruising.
Hi, we're here to find out if Princess Cruises uses a cost leadership or differentiation strategy. What do you think?
I'm going to come to you and ask you.
How can we tell if a company is a cost leader or differentiated? We could use a diagnostic tool called strategic fit. Let's take a look at the strategic fit worksheet. The worksheet consists of generic strategies as they compare with 5 operational features: product strategy, organizational structure, operations, marketing, and capital structure. Within these 5 operational features is a spectrum from cost leadership to differentiation. This worksheet is used as a diagnostic tool to find out how well a company and its products fit with one strategy. For example, if a company imitates another, is highly centralized, mass produces, compares its pricing with others, and borrows a lot from banks, it is a very good fit with cost leadership. Likewise, if a company is innovative, decentralized, builds unique products, and uses its own money well, then it has a good fit with differentiated strategy. Finally, if a company does not have consistent features, it doesn't have any strategic fit, it is stuck in the middle, and that's not good. So let's start with a new worksheet and see what the Princess Cruises generic strategy is. Before that, let's guess what the strategy is.
Well, look at that. The cost of Princess Cruises for meals like these should be high, but they're not. The costs are low, and if the quality is high, then cost should be adequate, not high. With all the meals that are being served around here, Princess Cruises should be making money from the savings of volume discounts.
So, is it a cost leader or a differentiated? We're still not sure. Let's use the worksheet and find out Princess Cruises' product strategy.
Princess Cruises has many shows and activities just like these. But so do other cruises. Except for a few things like rock climbing walls or movies, each of the cruises seem to be similar. So are they just imitating each other?
Cruise ship companies imitate each other, so their product strategy tends to be more of followers. Let's put a star there. Now, the organizational structure.
This is the organization chart of this ship. You'll see the captain and the other officers. It looks like a very clear and strong hierarchy. What does that suggest?
A hierarchical structure has a centralized management system. Let's put a star there. Next, operations.
Here at Horizons Buffet, there's food aplenty. At this scale, if people eat all they can, the cost will tend to be lower. This is what we call economies of scale. People are very specialized in their jobs here.
Looks like people here do the same thing every day. That's mass production, even for the entertainment. The star goes here. Next, marketing. This brochure arrived in the mail. There are different prices for cruises, destinations, and cabin types. The lowest price in this page is $599, and that's for a 7-day cruise. These prices appeal to different segments of consumers. They're called price points. This comparative advertising suggests a push strategy. All those prices target large segments based on affordability. That's a comparative and push strategy. Finally, how is capital structured? Do you know how much a ship like this costs? Over $1 billion. That's a lot of money. You just don't take out money from your pocket and buy a boat like this. You have to borrow from the banks. And you know what? Banks will lend you this money because they can see you can fill up the ship. So cruise ships use a lot of borrowed money. They leverage bank borrowing. They leverage bank borrowing and fill the ship with price points. Well, looks like Princess Cruises is a strategic fit to cost leadership. So let's review. The two generic strategies are cost leadership and differentiation. Strategic fit is a tool that helps us find out which strategy a company chooses. Still don't believe that cruise companies are low-cost leaders? Well, when you look at the kind of fuel they use, it's the lowest quality, lowest price fuel out there, just slightly better than asphalt. And the pollution they produce is horrible. But why isn't anyone complaining about the pollution? Because out here, the only complainers are the seagulls. Thank you.